I am a student and I want to make friends at school. I need to learn to be a good friend to make friends. A good friend knows how to share. Sharing means letting other people have a turn. I can share my toys. I can share the ball. I can wait until it's my turn again. When I share, it makes other people happy. Other kids want to be my friend when I share. Adults notice my good behavior. A good friend is nice to others. Being nice means making other people feel good. I can use nice words to make people feel good. Giving a friend a compliment is nice. It makes them feel good. If I can't think of something nice to say, then I can stay quiet. I can make a good choice by staying quiet or walking away. My friends and teachers are happy if I stay quiet instead of being mean. Friends will want to play with me. I won't get in trouble. I can make friends when I make good choices. Hello, beautiful friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome learning videos.